Alright guys, just want to do a quick video showing you the details of installing a radiator fan on a 2021 T300. Yeah, so basically what you're going to get is the fan and this fan mount. And it's going to end up going on here right like this. But what you need to realize is the fan sits there like that, but the bolts come through the back side. So you have 4 different length bolts, and you're going to use these long ones to go through the back side so that the fan sits on the radiator like that. Your short, fine threaded bolts are going to be what threads right into the radiator itself through these plastic sides. Fan mount into the plastic part of the radiator. Obviously you have to drain your coolant and take the radiator off to do this because you can't get to these bolts on the back otherwise. Now that I've got this mounted, I can go ahead and get all this plugged back up, and then I'll show you what to do from there. Alright guys, and you're gonna find the plug for the fan is going to be over here, just bundled up somewhere in the factory wiring harness. That's what it looks like. I'm going to just plug it in, zip tie it up somewhere, and then you're going to take your relay. And this one right here is going to be just in a rubber boot. And you're just going to pull it out of that rubber boot, and you're going to plug your relay in. And yeah, should be good. Everything will work from there. So that's pretty much it. This fan install process should be the same on all the KTM and Husky TPI 2-strokes, at least 19 and 20 and newer as of the time of publishing. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.